Cobb County has given to counselors this year. It's very streamlined, and it kind of shows step by step what I need to make sure to ask a student if they do come in expressing thoughts of suicide. I think it's very direct, and I like that it's direct because it helps me make sure that I'm not missing any steps. I also like that they give instructions for discussing the situation with the parent, and not only tips for during the meeting, but how to follow up with the parent and the student after the meeting. I also like that during the initial meeting in the safety plan, there's a time to set with the student of when to follow up after their either emergency room evaluation or evaluation with a mental health professional. And I mean, really overall, the safety plan is just really helpful because it takes a little bit of stress from a very complicated situation, and it helps counselors with what is arguably the most difficult situation that they can face.
You know, it's hard being a kid these days, especially being a middle school age kid, and so we have a lot of students who are just feeling isolated and hopeless for a whole host of complex reasons. And so a lot of them are thinking about attempting suicide or have actually attempted. And fortunately for me, I haven't experienced anyone who has completed, but having a safety and reentry plan has been really helpful for those who have thought about it and attempted it. So it's really hard on the students, but also on families and community and the staff. And of course, it's hard on us as practitioners. And so having coping skills is really important. What a safety plan did for me is really just kind of free me up to be present in the moment, because what our people did is they actually incorporated that along with the laws and policy and ethics into the plan, so that I didn't have to worry about whether or not I needed to call DFACS or I needed to reach out to the parents or when I needed to do those things, because I just did a quick run through of the safety plan before I went to actually speak with the student. And so a lot of times everyone is looking at you, the principal, the staff, no one else knows what to do. And that crisis can be really, really high risk, but also stressful on us. And so it really freed me up to kind of meet the needs of everyone more effectively. And on the reentry part, it helps because we get to plan with the students. The students actually get to have some buy-in, have some control over how things go, and we pull from them resources and ideas on how to keep them safe for now when it's an intervention, and then afterwards when it's time for them to re-enter into school, it helps us support them more effectively so they just heal and don't have to experience the same things that led to them needing a safety plan in the first place.